Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we removed the fuel door from my 1998 Porsche Boxster 986, but I'm sure it's very similar to the 987 and also the Porsche 911 996 model. We had a little difficulty with it, as you will see. We actually broke a piece, but that's the bad news. The good news is the replacement cost of that piece was only like 20 bucks. And it gave us a clear view on how to remove it. So hopefully it will help you guys. So we left in all the bad parts and the good parts and an alternative way to remove it, which is probably the right way to go. So stick around to the end, check it all out, and here we go. All right, to get our fuel door off, we're using a little pick. There are two tabs inside there that you want to press away from the fuel door. And this is our first time doing it, so we're gonna
scared to
give it a few tries. So supposedly you pull those tabs and then the fuel door slides up, off. Smaller flathead, maybe?
I mean, it's pushing it, but you have a small one?
Yeah. All right, we got a little flathead.
Yeah. Glad you can laugh about it.
Now we can figure it out.
I mean,
here's the little tab we're pressing in.
It doesn't press in that much, though. Maybe it's going to go all the way down and beside it.
Now we can practice one more time.
I can correct it.
No. Don't have to worry about breaking it now.
Yeah.
All right, now
My nose trying to get it out.
you can see that tab. So what you want to do is push that tab in.
It's still not.
All right, so let's figure out the best angle to get it out once that tab is pressed.
I think that one is seized in there.
Maybe if you press the tab in and then pry it out from underneath. I mean, stick the pry tool under from where the fuel cap is, like underneath that middle rail. Yeah, from that.
Here.
And from like this side, stick it in underneath.
There's nothing like, there's just a tiny little
lip. Ah. Well, that's what you want to try to get out, so good luck.
See, it's got a little. Look at the little thing right there. It may have been actually easier just to slide the door. Oh.
Yeah, instead of disconnecting it from down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we just popped that metal clip off, which was easy. And yeah, try that, guys. Let us know how that works. I hope you found something helpful in all of that. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment below and let us know how it worked for you, which method you used, and if you were more successful than I was. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.